Hey guys, आज हम बना रहे हैं माइक्रोवेव बिरयानी। बिरयानी यूजुअली मिलती है जब हम कोई रेस्टोरेंट जाते हैं या घर जाते हैं और अम्मी हमारे लिए बनाती हैं। लेकिन आज अगर आपके पास एक माइक्रोवेव है और थोड़ी सी इंग्रेडिएंट्स खुद ही बिरयानी बना सकते हैं आपके डोर्म में या अपार्टमेंट में, जहाँ पे भी हैं।
You heard her. Let's make some biryani.
First, you're gonna need half a cup of rice. Pour the half a cup of rice into a large bowl. Then you're gonna add 3/4 cup of water to your rice. To your rice, you're going to add half of a bay leaf, 1 clove, and 1 peppercorn.
And a half cup of 1 diced medium potato. And cover the bowl with some plastic wrap. And stab a few holes for steam to release. And microwave for 8 minutes.
In another bowl, put 1 tablespoon of oil and 1/4 of an onion sliced. To your onion mixture, add 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cloves, 1 black peppercorn, 1/3 of a stick of cinnamon, and 1/2 of a bay leaf. And don't forget your cardamom. Now that your potato and rice mixture is done microwaving, put your spice and onion mixture into the microwave and microwave for 5 minutes, mixing halfway through. In a bowl with about a cup of chopped chicken, add 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, red pepper, garam masala, ground ginger, and black pepper, as well as a teaspoon of salt.
And into that bowl, add a 1/4 cup of diced tomatoes.
And mix with your hands.
And then cover with some plastic wrap.
And then microwave the chicken for 5 minutes.
Next, add a 1/2 cup of diced tomatoes into the onions.
And half a teaspoon of salt. Now take your onion and tomato mixture and microwave it for 4 minutes.
So now you have your rice and potatoes done, your chicken, and your onion and tomato mixture. You can throw everything together in one bowl and mix it together, or if you want to make it look a bit nicer, start with the tomato and onion mixture and take a little bit of it and lay it out into a separate platter. And then add a layer of the rice and potatoes, like that. Don't add all of it because you want to try and get at least 2 or 3 layers. It'll spread out the spices. And then add about half of your chicken. Like that. And spread it out evenly. Rest of your rice. That. And you want to save some of the onion and tomatoes for the top so it'll look colorful. That. And the rest of your onion and tomatoes now. For a more authentic biryani look, you can also add food coloring. Red or yellow works. You can just drip it across your tray. Ooh. And that's how you make biryani in the microwave.
Give us some.
Me likey.
For a full recipe, check out our website.
Like this video.
And subscribe to our channel or leave a comment below.
Thanks for watching!
Biryani, no.
I need a handkerchief over my